If you're thinking about starting an online business, let me share the three things that I'm doing right from the start so I don't waste years and thousands of dollars like I see other people do. These are the exact steps I'm going to focus on when I'm launching this online business, and I'm bringing you with me step by step so you can see the process. Hey, I'm Christine, and I'm in my mid 50s, and I've spent decades in corporate. But right now, I want to focus on my next step. I don't want to be working until I'm 70 in corporate and all the travel that I have to do. It's just so hard. So I've watched people get burned by MLMs and network marketing and all the opportunities on the internet. That's why I started Studio 13. Because I'm going to document my journey of building my digital business, and that's lean, realistic, and actually aligned with my life. So let's talk about the three things that I'm building into my business from day one. One, I'm not confusing expensive with effective. I'm not chasing $10,000 programs or complicated funnels. What I've learned so far is if the system doesn't fit my values and my lifestyle, it's not going to work for me. So instead of going big and shiny, I'm starting with a simple proven system that's accessible and something that I can learn to scale over time. Because if I can't sell a $10 product, I'm not going to be able to build this business because it all starts with that simple step. Number two, I'm going to start lean. I don't believe you need to go broke to start a business. So I'm starting lean with a done for me business, a done for me landing page, a simple automation tool, and one social platform to grow my audience. My goal is to build my confidence and my skills first, and then I'll be able to share them with you and scale them. Once I learn how to do the basics, then I can just build upon that. Number three, I'm going to automate from day one. I don't want another full-time job to worry about after work while I'm trying to get all this done in my hotel room or on the weekends while I'm at home. So I'm building a YouTube for evergreen discovery. So people can come here for years and years and find my video, and I don't have to keep remaking this every day, right? I have a freebie to grow my email list, which you can get down below in my link. And then I have automation to do the explaining while I go out and live the rest of my life. This way, every video I create keeps working for me in the background, even when I'm not working on it. So, these are the three things I'm focusing on as I start my digital business journey. Keep it aligned and not expensive. Start lean and build with automation. If you're also starting or restarting or want to start an online business, I'd love to hear your story in the comments. What's the biggest challenge that you have right now? And if you want to follow along, please subscribe and join my list while I grow this step by step. I put together the Freedom Formula blueprint down below, and it shows the exact roadmap I'm following, and it's laid out so nicely. There's a community of over 56,000 people. So if I'm away at work and working, or if you're in Nigeria and it's completely opposite time zone than me, you can just go into the community group. You can see the wins, you can talk to all the other people growing their business and all the struggles they are having. since I come from corporate, if you have any issues setting up your website, you can always come to me and ask me questions. This is a together business, and the more people that learn how to do this, the better the future will be, because right now that's where the future of money is online, because out there in the world, apparently we're losing so many jobs to AI that all of us tech people need to learn how to use this for ourselves and create an income outside of the corporations. So that's where I'm starting, and this is just the beginning. I hope to see you on my journey and come along with me. So subscribe, hit the bell, and let's build this together.